Numbers. There's a yummy foot. Are you going to show everybody how you eat it? Eat the foot. Eat the foot. No? Oh, so close. And... there you go. You were eating it. Was it yummy? Was it yummy? Mmm. Yummy foot. Is that all you got for us today? You're not very talkative, are you? No. Okay. Whoa! Oh, but they're for the hand instead.